In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion with ChatGPT. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have ChatGPT connected to your Notion workspace so you can streamline notes, drafts, and ideas right where you work. First, open the Notion website in your browser and log in to your account. Make sure you are in the workspace where you want the connection to live, especially if you belong to multiple workspaces. If you are on a team plan, you may need editor permissions to manage connections, so it's a good idea to double-check that you can access settings. A stable internet connection helps here, as the settings panel pulls in your available integrations. Once you are in, look to the left side of the page for the settings area. Open your settings, then find and click Connections. This is the hub in Notion where integrations are managed. It shows what's currently connected and what can be connected, and it keeps things organized so you can enable services without changing your pages or databases. Think of it as the control room for linking Notion to trusted tools. Next, select Notion, MCP. This option acts as the bridge that allows Notion to communicate with external AI tools. Choosing Notion MCP prepares the connection and brings up the provider options that can plug into it. If you don't immediately see it, scroll through the available connections section. Sometimes it's grouped alongside other automation or AI options, and it may be listed alphabetically depending on your interface. After that, select ChatGPT. You are telling Notion that ChatGPT will be the provider working through the Notion MCP connection. Keep an eye on the screen for any prompts or status messages. They'll let you know the selection has been applied and that Notion is setting things up in the background. Here is nothing more you need to configure at this stage. This selection is the key step that links the services together. Finally, ChatGPT connects with Notion. You should see a clear indicator that the connection is active, such as a connected status or a checkmark beside ChatGPT. From this point, the integration is enabled in your workspace. If the status doesn't update right away, give the page a moment to refresh and make sure you are still viewing the correct workspace. On Managed Team Accounts connection, availability can vary by organization, so what you see may depend on your admin settings. That's it, the setup is complete. You opened Notion and logged in. Went to Settings on the left and chose Connections. Selected Notion MCP. Picked ChatGPT and confirmed the connection. You are now ready to bring AI-assisted writing and organization into your Notion workflow. Thanks for watching.